This video is a quick overview of Paper Ballot Software Suite, or PBSS. This is Builder, PBSS's ballot design tool. Like the other tools, it comes as a native desktop app, and everything you're about to see runs locally. No internet connection is required. The dashboard walks through the 7 steps of designing a ballot in order, though you're free to jump around using the menus above at any time. Every ballot starts with a jurisdiction, the county or district running the election. I'll call ours Humboldt County. Next, a region, the geographic area a particular ballot style covers. For a simple election, you'll just want one called all. Larger jurisdictions can have many precincts and can group them into districts, and contests can be assigned to just the regions where they apply. Ballot type distinguishes how a ballot was cast: precinct, mail-in, provisional. If you just have one type, use all. Now the election itself, tied to the jurisdiction we just created. Our first contest, mayor, a standard vote for one race. Saving a new contest takes you straight into adding candidates: Alice Johnson, Bob Williams, Carmen Diaz. Saving candidates moves into assigning which regions this contest appears in. That assignment is what lets PBSS build different ballot styles for different parts of a jurisdiction from the same election. City Council is ranked choice voting. Voters rank up to 5 candidates in order of preference, and if nobody gets a majority of first choice votes, the counter runs an instant runoff, eliminating the lowest candidates and transferring their voters' next choice until someone finally gets a majority. Add a ballot measure. Measure B, a library bond. Bond measures often need more than a simple majority to pass. This one requires 60%. PBSS supports any threshold for contests. Before printing, a design template sets the physical layout: paper size, how voters mark their choice, ovals here, but you could use boxes or a connect the dots style, and column count. This is also where fonts, headers, and language options live. Now we have everything we need to print, and we can generate a PDF and an accompanying YAML file, a file that includes information for the counting program about where each vote opportunity is located. There's not much to see as far as the count is concerned, so let's just skip to the results. So here we're seeing the main results report, which is also available in CSV form to import into a spreadsheet. Here's the ranked choice voting tabulation report. A scribble report has links to ballots that had scribbles if you had scribble checking enabled. You can see that write-ins are also captured by the scribble detection, but we also have a write-in report, and that write-in report shows you the actual ballot with write-in without converting the write-in to red. And we can take a look at the last application real quickly. This is the ballot viewer that can be made available internally or externally. Here we see a list of all files from a test run. Initially, I'm going to enter a name filter to pick up upside down ballots, and we can confirm that the overlays are correctly indicating exactly what each vote opportunity is treated as, despite the ballot being upside down. We can also use SQL calls if we wish. Hitting the question mark gives us a list of some of the tables that we can use. And one of the tables that we'll use is the contest table. So we'll look for contests that match mayor. And paste that in. And here we see ballots for mayor. We'll enlarge it so that we can see closely. We'll move to the show the mayor, and we'll set it up to auto advance, and we'll see as ballots go by whether each is appropriate. Looks like that would have been caught by scribble, and so we would have seen the problem with someone saying no to Bill de Blasio for mayor.